People's top of the morning. It is Friday, December 1st, 5:30 a.m. and I have a live update. Some of my religious friends would say the devil was always working. Israel Hamas war live. Israel resumes Gaza bombing after truce expires. Dozens of Palestinians killed since Israel resumed attacks on Gaza after expiration of truce, according to health officials. Israeli army drops leaflets telling people in parts of already bombarded southern Gaza to evacuate, signaling an expanding offensive. International mediators, including Qatar, Egypt, and the United States, had pushed for another extension of the pause, which expired at 7 a.m. local time on Friday. More than 15,000 Palestinians have been killed in Gaza since October 7th. In Israel, the official death toll stands at about 1,200. So as you can see, the truce was a joke. Some reports say that the Israeli army has been arresting more people than they've been releasing during the truce. So on one hand, they're releasing individuals who they very well kidnapped, detained for undisclosed amounts of time for no crimes on record, no accusations of anything. These are crimes against humanity that the Israeli army is absolutely unequivocally guilty of. How can a world stand by and watch what you're doing in real time and not be offended? But how long will the world keep watching? How long will the world keep watching your madness? How long will the world keep watching your destruction? And this is happening all in real time. Israeli airstrikes pound Gaza as truce with Hamas ends. Airstrikes, heavy shelling, and casualties reported in Gaza as Israel accuses Hamas of breaking the agreement. So, really, you're accusing Hamas of breaking the agreement. That sounds like complete absurdity if you're a human being with any type of intellect who's been actually seeing what's been going on. So the Palestinians went to sleep last night with their families, as many of us did. And this is what they woke up to. So soon after the truce is over, the Israeli army gets right back to doing what it does best. Right back to being that war machine, that killing machine. The architects of destruction is what they are. Heavy fighting has broken out across the Gaza Strip as the Israeli military resumed combat operations against Hamas after efforts to extend the truce failed. The resumption of hostilities came about 7 a.m. local time on Friday as the deadline for the end of the week-long pause passed. So once again, people, this is a live update. You understand? The Israeli army has resumed the bombardment of Gaza. So nothing has changed. You understand? These days of the truce and all of the hostage exchanges and everything like that, it truly doesn't matter. It truly hasn't changed anything in the hearts of the minds of the individuals that's been doing the most egregious, atrocious acts on planet Earth. It still hasn't changed them. This pause has done nothing to make them reconsider that maybe there might be some error in their ways. I did a piece the other day about the people that the Israeli government, the Israeli army, has been holding captive political prisoners. Now, these are children, women. So now the world won't be fooled anymore. We know who you are because you're showing us who you are in real time. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this. Once again, this is a live update. It is Friday, December 1st, 2023. Once again, always remember, stay vigilant, stay safe. Peace.